Hi, I have a rotary cutter and 3-yard quilts, and I know how to use them. Let me show you. Let's attack that stash. Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. We've got a fun program for you today. We are going to show you some tips and tricks on how to attack that stash. Let's get rid of it so that you can make room for more, of course. So we're going to start off and we're going to share with you a few little things. For instance, 3-yard quilts are a great, easy way to attack your stash. And we have this on our website under free goodies. It's called My Pattern Collection Sheet, and it has all of our books and all of our patterns listed. So let me get this focused right here for you, John. So whenever you're looking at this sheet, you can download it for free. It has the name of our patterns and which book it is in. If it is highlighted, it has no number of book, then it is an individual pattern. So we have quite a few individual patterns. These patterns are not in any book. They are available as individual patterns for just $5.99 on our website, or you can also get them as downloadable versions. So you'll want to check those out. Now let's take a look at one of our very popular patterns, individual patterns. This one's called Pretty Please, and Pretty Please is made with just 3 1-yard cuts of fabric. So you go to your stash and you pick out a focus fabric, and then you pick out 2 of coordinating fabrics. So what I did was I looked at these birds and I picked out a blue to coordinate and a green to coordinate. This is your focus fabric. It's your number 1. The number 2 and 3 fabrics are compared. The lighter one becomes number 2 and the darkest one becomes number 3. And you're ready to start quilting. So let's take a look at that fabric. And what we have here is the birds are our number 1 fabric. And if you look at your patterns and you start to choose out your fabrics, you'll want to look at the fact that we have a black and white diagram, and the number 1 fabric is represented by a dot. So that is your largest print. The largest print is going to go in this square. Then you have 2 fabrics remaining. You have a light and a dark. The green is the light compared to the dark. You always take your focus fabric out of the equation whenever you're placing the other 2 colors. So the light goes here, the dark goes there. So we have the birds as our focus fabric. So you could just pick that out of your stash, your focus, and then you add the light and the dark, and you've got a kit that quickly. So this one, if you like this one and want to add it to your stash, it is 8021545. Happy Meadow. Pretty Please is your pattern, and it is not available in any book. It's an individual pattern that is not available in a book. Okay, we also have books. Now, our patterns are individual. You can download them from our website for just $5.99, or you can buy them and we will mail them to you, whichever you prefer. We also have 7 different pattern books in print. Now, these books are all written with the enlargement patterns for your lap size, your twin, and your king queen. So if you're really trying to get rid of a big stash, then you'll want to pick out 2 yards each for a twin. So 3 1-yard cuts will make the lap, 2 each of 3 colors will make your twin, and 4 each of the 3 fabrics will make your king queen. So that's the way you enlarge these quilts, and we give you your instructions for cutting new sizes for your borders and your binding, because that will adjust. The center of the quilt is pretty simple by just doing multiples. Okay, so the next one we're going to look at is called Modern Charm. And when I designed this particular pattern, I wanted to use kind of an old-fashioned block, which is what the churn dash is, and I paired it with a solid block so you could really show off your print here. This one's called Prairie Dreams, and I love the richness of this particular quilt, and it shows up real nicely with that light being your background and then the dark being your accent of the design. This pattern is available in our book, Quick as a Wink. And staying with the same basic thing, whenever you go to your stash, you want to pick out a print, a focus fabric. It's usually your larger print. That will go here. And then you pick out your number 2 and your number 3. Your lightest one becomes that background for the accents of the design. And that's your number 3. So this particular one is called Prairie Dreams 8021121. Modern Charm is the pattern. It's only available in this book, Quick as a Wink. But we have an alternate pattern that you might choose. This one is called Heartland. It has the same basic idea. It does have an extra border around the focus fabric, but that one would work really well with this pattern as well. Anytime that you purchase one of our quilt kits, you will get either a free pattern like this, or you can buy 3 kits and get one of our books free, and you pick out which book you want. Now that's showing Modern Charm in a rich, dark color. But what if you do not have this kind of fabric in your stash? Let's look at another set of fabrics that would work really well also. Now this one is a beautiful rose. So let's come over and look at this quilt. So when you go to your stash, once again, you pick out your focus fabric, and then you pick out two other fabrics, your light and your dark. And the same thing is going on here as went on with the previous quilt that we showed you. That light color kind of falls to the back, and your accents are then really popping off the surface of your light. So we'll put that up here and show you this fabric. So no matter what your style of fabric is, whether it's the romantic like this or more of the traditional Civil War look like the previous one, you'll be able to find the fabrics that you like that work in these great patterns. So this is your focus fabric. That's going to fall in your largest block. Then we've got our number 2, the background color, and number 3 becomes your accent of the design. Beautiful Quilting Treasures fabric. This one is 8020258. Modern Charm is the name of the pattern. It's only available in the book, Quick as a Wink, but the alternate pattern would be Heartland. Okay, now what if you do have a huge stash and you're ready to whittle it down? Well, we tell you if you're buying kits, you buy 1 kit for the lap, 2 kits for the twin, and 4 for the king queen. We thought you might like to see what happens when you put those together. So what we have here is the twin. The twin size, this is 2 of the 2 yards each of the 3 fabrics. And Hannah, if you'll step over toward, yes, that way, I'll hold this one up so they can see what a dramatic difference it makes just by adding the 3 yards or the 1 extra kit. So this is the lap, and Hannah is holding the twin. It is amazing how beautiful and how large it is. It's a great one. Okay, thank you, Hannah. Now we've shown you a couple of quilts, and this is just the same basic thing. And what's really cool about 3-yard quilts is how different they look one from another. Now, if you like a whole collection of the books, you might want to consider our special book bundle offer that we have. All 7 in-print books are available in one great price with free shipping. So that one is available. You just go to website and select the books, and then you'll see the book bundle come up. It's a great, great asset to have whenever you start busting that stash. Now, if you're an international customer, or if you're in the United States and would just like to have a super easy way to get this book, and that is not all of our books are available as downloadable, but we do have 3 that are available, and I think we have a few more that we've been adding. John, do you know the number? I think we're up to about 5 or 6 that are available as downloadable. Now, we do have our downloads really super easy for anyone to go to Etsy.com and then do a /shops and then Fabric Cafe, or just search for Fabric Cafe, because you can download them from Etsy as well, all of our individuals and all of our downloadable books. Once you print those books out, it's just like, okay, this is an example. You can print it out in color. We used a notebook that we could slide the cover in, so we've got our cover right there. We also put the name on the spine because that also slides in. You can just get this at the office supply store. And then we got sleeves and slipped each one of these pages into the sleeve. So it's just like having a book, but it's in a 3-ring binder. So you can go through and see all of these great pages with all of your information. It's exactly what would have normally been in print, but this one is no longer in print. Okay, now we've been talking about getting rid of your stash in the yardage, but what about fat quarters? I know people that have bought fat quarter bundles, and they're gorgeous to look at, but they don't know exactly what to put them together with. And we have a new book, and this is Fat Quarter Quilting Fun. This particular book is designed so that rather than you doing a focus and a light and a dark, you will use light, medium, and dark fat quarters. And so the book goes through and explains that to you, and the way that the patterns are written, it makes it super simple for you to come up with the ones that you need. So it's the same basic thing of a light, a medium, and dark rather than a focus, a light, and a dark. And you can see here on your quilt in your diagram where the light, medium, and dark are going to go. So let's take a look at that quilt now. So this one is made up with primarily individual fat quarters. So you've got a lot of different fat quarters here, so you don't have to have a lot of matchers. You do have to have matchers for 2 matchers for your border and 2 matchers for your separating sashing that's in the quilt. Let's put that up here on the table and we'll look at those particular ones. So we have 2 matchers for the border, and we have 2 matchers for your sashing that's going through the middle of this. Now when you look at these, you can see this says light, medium, and dark. If you'll use your phone and take a picture of your fat quarters when you get them all lined up, and then go to the edit button, and you can actually change from color to a black and white. And when it gets in the gray tones, you can see how the lights and the darks differ at that point. So this is a great kit if you want to just buy a kit to play with. Otherwise, just go and pick out your favorites. 8021088. Spectacular is the name of this kit. Simple Steps is the name of the pattern. It's only available in the Fat Quarter Quilting Fun. And when you buy the bundle, you do not get a quilt pattern with the bundle. But if you buy 3 bundles, you can get the book free. Otherwise, the book's available for $15.99. Okay, the next one that we have for you, this one is called Mystery. This is a fun one. It has a really modern twist to it, and it would go great in the more neutral palette, the color palettes that we're using for decorating. With a pop of that red, it really does make a difference in your quilt when you assemble your quilt. So let's put that up here and look at these fabrics. And this one, I know we had a question recently. Someone said, why would you say that red is the light? It's because it really is, it has a lot of light in it. If you compare it with these 3 different groupings, it really will show up lighter just because it has a lot of light in it. And it's also the best contrasting to these. So that's the reason we refer to these as light. So you have your light, medium, and dark. Your pattern is here. And once again, whenever you look at your, I've got it at the right place. When you look at your black and white diagrams, then you will be able to see how those red squares are going to pop off the face of the quilt. Okay, so that one is called Mystery. Now, what if you don't have enough fat quarters. Well, we have that solved too, because we have some great deals on our fat quarter stash builders. These are ones that are left over from cutting our 3-yard quilts. So if you've ever purchased one of our 3-yard quilts, you know we have great quality fabric. And we have gone through and put them into groupings. So we have focus fabrics. These focus fabrics, it's not like you're going to choose these, but these are just an example because we just have focus fabric. We have them marked down to considerably lower price than what the fabric was originally. We have the lights. So if you feel like that your stash is really heavy in one way or the other, you've got your different groupings here so that you can go light, medium, and dark. And we've already done that selection for you. And then when you get these to help fill out your stash, let's say that you're the kind of person that has a lot of the darker, deeper, richer, but you need some lights, that's where you're going to get them from the Stash Buster. So these are called Fat Quarter Stash Builders. So I hope you got some tips here on how to bust that stash. We really want to encourage you, and I would love it if you shared your pictures with me because it's always fun to see what you have done with our 3-yard quilt patterns. We've got lots of great patterns coming up, and we've got a lot of them in print, and we hope you will continue to bust that stash with our patterns. Now, be sure to subscribe and then click the little bell so that you can receive notification whenever we post a new video. And tell your friends about us and leave us a comment. We'll answer your comments. We love hearing from you. We love hearing which are your favorite patterns and how many quilts have you made from your stash using 3-yard quilts. So this is Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Have a great day.